My name is Narawadi Bualet. You can call me Ian. I'm the proud owner of Labua Hotels and Resorts and the world's first vertical destination. Our portfolio consists of 6 bars and 4 restaurants under one roof, Labua at State Tower. 2 of our restaurants earn 2 Michelin stars, and we have 2 alfresco restaurants. One has offering Mediterranean cuisine and one Asian cuisine. First thing that came to my mind is that it's a testament of the hard work, dedication of Team Labua, who have continuously and consistently delivering the best personalized service, and it proved that we were able to connect to our guests emotionally. Attention to details is a key part, at least is the beginning of the creation of dining experience. We continually innovate. We have to bring in the best concept to complement to the dining experience, because ambience is one important part to the restaurant. It is only one part. For me, it's only one small part. The bigger part would be our talented chefs, Chef Ryoki, the menu, the way he curated these special each and every dishes. He combined local ingredients using Japanese ingredients from his hometown. Some of the ingredient is even exclusively available at Labua. He combined all these fresh ingredients using French techniques to deliver such a wonderful piece of art. So I can proudly say that Chef Ryoki is the only chef in Thailand who has earned and retained 2 Michelin stars for 7 consecutive years. So this is very, very special for us, and I believe for the country as well, that the country has an establishment of that high standard quality. Well, last but not least, I would like to thank all my supporters, our guests, our team for their dedication and sacrifice. I believe all these awards recognize their dedication. It's a testament of our service excellence, and I really look forward to welcoming all the guests to come and experience, hopefully, 3 Michelin stars at Labua in the near future.
My name is Ryuki Kawasaki. I'm chef de cuisine, Mezzaluna Bangkok. So after renovation, I think much more comfortable for working, for cooking, for service is both sides. This ventilation system is much more help for condition for all of us. We use much more heat, we work like sweating, but now this no more happen. So everybody working very comfortable. Make much more experience, better experience for the guests. I worked for 22 years with 3 Michelin star chefs. This is the best exhaust system I never had, even for both sides, like technically and for design. As you can see, our concept is black and white, same as our restaurant. Main range is black, we design as black, so it's a perfect match with black color. Of course, it's temperature, and also for me is noise. I think all the system was much more noisy. It's very difficult to communicate with service time. But now it's very quiet. This helps to communicate us to make a better service. For me, the most biggest one is air condition system. This is a very technological thing I never had before. So when we cooking, of course, it's heating come from the oven range, but in the behind is the air condition system, making us very cool down. So actually, we open only dinner time. Of course, lighting after sunset is very dark in the restaurant. Kitchen cannot be too bright, so we need to adjust the lighting But this system, warm lighting, cold lighting, we can adjust what we want. Please come to Mezzaluna and try your experience.